Today I'm going to be opening 2 iPad accessories that I ordered on Amazon, and I'm very excited because I've been wanting to open them for a very long time now. It's the iPad Air 4th generation in the light green. I absolutely love the color. Green is one of my favorites. In the case, I got the color dark green, so it could be like a monochromatic look to it. You guys will see how it looks later in the video. The Apple Pencil case that I got, it's for when I'm taking notes for school or when I'm drawing, so the case would it'll make it more comfortable when I'm like writing on it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's just get on to the unboxing. So I'm just going to be voicing over some of these clips of me showing you guys my cases and my iPad. This is the current case that I had on it. It was a leather black business portfolio looking one. It's a really good case. I just needed a new one so I could, you know, freestyle, draw, and write without getting bumped into like the screen. I'm pretty much just showing you guys the difference of my old case and my new one. So my old one did have 3 different levels to stand my case up, and it was really useful. But my new one won't be having that, and that's alright because the purpose of it was just to be able to, you know, be more freely with gliding my hand across the screen. For this one, I did pay $8.99 for it, and it was a really good price because the pencil case is really cute. I did not think it was gonna look that nice once I got it. As for the iPad case, I paid $24.99, so for both products I paid around $30, which is really good. For what I decided to get, it was perfect because I needed something, like I've said many times, I really needed this case. I needed to know that I could just draw and not feel like my hand's gonna get bumped into something. Another advantage for the case is that I'm able to magnetically charge my Apple Pencil on the side with it being protected by that magnetic flap. Something I didn't get to show you in the video is that it's really smooth to put the case on, however, it's really hard to take off. I did realize though that it is really easy to connect to the iPad. It still has a strong hold. However, I cannot cover it up with the magnetic flap. Only if it's not wearing the case, it works perfect. This is the last close-up I will show you guys of the iPad case and then the Apple Pencil case. I will be linking all the links towards the iPad case and the Apple Pencil case in the description box below for you guys. I paid roughly around maybe $30 for both of them. I'm pretty sure that the price would stay the same. I don't think that they would raise it. See, it's a really good case if you guys are looking for an iPad case so that you can easily draw or glide your hand across the screen. The reason why I got it is because I don't have anything that's gonna bump my hand when I'm drawing or writing. Yeah, I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!